Maynard Construction, need we say more? View video below. 1-level ranch west/3-bed 2-bath open floor plan, large open area kitchen, views to living room, great for entertaining or keeping an eye on the kids. Kitchen is complemented with a bar area, stainless steel appliances, and pantry. Master suite west/double sinks and tile shower. Separate laundry room. No HOA Private covered patio. Come set up your app to view soon. This home should sell fast. Very convenient to Fort Campbell, schools, shopping, and dining out. Seller to provide $7,000 in concessions towards buyer buy-down or closing costs. Actual address is 1328 Shaughnessy.